Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday evening, October 8th, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of business and corporate news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline. FORTEC Elektronik AG Supervisory Board initiates realignment of the Management Board. The Supervisory Board of FORTEC Elektronik AG has initiated a realignment of the company's executive management to secure its competitiveness in the market. This follows recent personnel changes in the Management Board. The board will identify new candidates to drive a market-oriented strategy and ensure long-term growth. The company's solid financial foundation includes an equity ratio of approximately 72% and net financial assets of just under €20 million as of March 31, 2025. During the transition, Mr. Ulrich Ermel will oversee day-to-day operations with interim support. FORTEC Elektronik AG, based in Germering, Germany, specializes in power supplies, embedded systems, and displays, offering customer-specific and complete system developments.
Luxury aesthetic spa opens in Boca Raton. Injection Perfection Medical Spa, led by Desiree Limber, FMPBC, has opened a new office in Boca Raton, offering luxury tailored aesthetic services. The new facility features treatment rooms, high-end finishes, and a calming environment for a bespoke experience. Services include lip filler, Botox, microneedling, and more, all customized to achieve natural results. While a grand opening event is on the horizon, the spa is currently accepting new clients for appointments either online or by phone. Visit Injection Perfection Medical Spa in Boca Raton for personalized anti-aging solutions and rejuvenation treatments.
SBF AG reports robust operational performance in the first half of 2025. SBF AG, a publicly traded company specializing in innovative solutions for rolling stock, lighting, electromechanics, and sensor technology, reported a robust operational performance in the first half of 2025. Despite a challenging market environment, the group revenue reached €21.9 million with a high order backlog. EBITDA rose to €0.5 million due to restructuring measures and efficiency improvements. The company confirmed its outlook for 2025, with revenue expected to be between €43 to €46 million and EBITDA between €1.5 to €2.5 million. SBF sees new opportunities arising from investments in infrastructure, mobility, and defense, and is well positioned to pursue these opportunities for future growth.
Healthcare Triangle announces warrant inducement for aggregate gross proceeds of approximately $478,000. Healthcare Triangle, Inc. has announced a warrant inducement for aggregate gross proceeds of approximately $478,000. The company has entered into warrant exercise agreements with certain investors to exercise outstanding warrants for gross cash proceeds. In exchange, the exercising holders will receive new unregistered warrants to purchase up to an aggregate of 239,051 shares of common stock. The new warrants have an exercise price of $3 per share and will expire 5 years from the date of issuance. The exercise of the existing warrants and the issuance of the new warrants are expected to occur on October 8th, 2025. The gross proceeds from the warrant inducement are expected to be approximately $478,000, excluding any proceeds that may be received upon the exercise of the new warrants and before deducting financial advisor fees and other expenses payable by the company.
Unlocking success: key strategies for building a successful business in the U.S. In today's competitive marketplace, aspiring entrepreneurs in the U.S. are eager to make their mark, but only a third of new businesses celebrate their 10th anniversary. To succeed, experts advise thorough market research, network building, digital marketing, and sound financial management. Understanding customer needs and industry trends is key, as is forming strategic partnerships and engaging with the community. Leveraging digital tools can drive higher engagement and customer acquisition rates. Proper financial planning and securing funding are crucial for long-term sustainability. Adaptation, learning, and staying informed are essential for businesses to thrive in the ever-changing marketplace. For more guidance on starting your business journey, contact GrowSmart Consulting, a leading advisory firm specializing in sustainable growth and success.
Investor news breaks. Platinum Group Metals Limited, PL American, PLG PTM, set to benefit amid strategic metal play. Platinum Group Metals Limited, PLG, is strategically positioned to benefit from the increasing importance of platinum and palladium in modern defense technology. With the development of the world-class Waterberg project in South Africa, Platinum Group Metals is poised to supply these critical metals for defense and industrial applications. The company's focus on advancing the high-quality Waterberg project aligns with the growing demand for metals that power innovation in the defense sector. For more information about Platinum Group Metals Limited and the Waterberg project, visit www.platinumgroupmetals.net.
Mission IR News Breaks. Heartbeam Inc., NASDAQ beat on the beat of cardiac innovation. Heartbeam Inc., a medical technology company traded on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BEAT, is set to revolutionize cardiac diagnostics with its innovative ECG technology. The company plans to launch its cable-free ECG solution immediately after FDA clearance, aiming to provide clinical-grade accuracy in a portable device. This advancement is expected to enhance patient engagement, reduce healthcare facility burdens, and improve access to high-quality cardiac monitoring, especially in underserved areas. Heartbeam's vision is to empower patients and healthcare providers with actionable heart intelligence outside of traditional medical settings, redefining the future of cardiac health management. For more information, visit Heartbeam's website at www.heartbeam.com.
Rock breaks. Fairchild Gold Corp. to acquire Golden Arrow project in Nevada for $5 million. Fairchild Gold Corp., listed on the TSXV as FAIR, has entered into a memorandum of understanding to acquire the Golden Arrow project in Nevada for $5 million. This acquisition will give Fairchild a 100% interest in the advanced stage gold property, expanding their total land position by 170% to 64.5 square kilometers. The Golden Arrow project boasts a historic resource of 420,000 ounces of gold, with an average grade of 0.75 grams per ton, and has undergone over 61,000 meters of drilling. As part of the deal, Fairchild will issue 12.5 million shares, a $3.5 million secured note, and a 0.5% NSR royalty to Emergent Metals Corp. Guy Lozier, a veteran mining engineer from Barrick, Newmont, and Agnico Eagle, will be appointed as technical director to advance the project's development.
PowerBank collaborates with IntelliStake Technologies Corp. as closed beta partner to test IntelliScope AI agents. PowerBank Corporation, in collaboration with IntelliStake Technologies Corporation, has been announced as an enterprise beta partner to test the IntelliScope AI suite. This partnership will involve PowerBank providing long-term testing and feedback to refine IntelliScope's first enterprise-facing AI agents. The close technical relationship gives PowerBank insight into AI tools focused on the energy industry. IntelliStake Technologies Corporation, a tech company specializing in AI software solutions, has partnered with PowerBank to utilize their expertise in renewable and clean energy projects. PowerBank will serve as a closed beta partner, assisting with testing and feedback for the IntelliScope Enterprise AI Suite. Kayo Nutraceuticals introduces enhanced tanning supplement. Kayo Nutraceuticals introduces an enhanced tanning supplement featuring a new concentrated formula with 10 times more astaxanthin. This natural tanning gummy not only promotes a sun-kissed glow, but also supports overall skin health. With a commitment to quality and safety, Kayo Nutraceuticals aims to revolutionize the tanning supplement industry. Stay tuned for the launch of this potent tanning solution, designed for all individuals seeking a safe and effective way to enhance their skin tone and promote long-term skin wellness.
Exceptional Appfolio Bookkeeping Services for Property Managers. REA, a frontrunner in the property management sector, offers exceptional Appfolio bookkeeping services tailored to the distinct requirements of property owners and managers. Their team of skilled Appfolio consultants ensures precise financial reporting, prompt invoicing, and effective expense tracking, essential for sustaining a robust cash flow. By outsourcing bookkeeping to REA, property owners can focus on core competencies while benefiting from personalized services and outstanding customer support. REA's dedication to industry trends, data security, and scalability further solidifies their reputation as a trusted ally for financial management. Clients have reported notable enhancements in profitability and growth after partnering with REA for their Appfolio bookkeeping needs.
Investor news breaks. Nexplat Corp. NXPL, NXPLW issues Q4 shareholder update highlighting cost reductions, healthcare expansion, and growth across core channels. Nexplat Corp., NXPL, NXPLW recently issued a shareholder update outlining cost reductions, healthcare expansion, and growth across core channels. The company's interim CEO, Charles M. Fernandez, highlighted a restructuring plan focusing on cost reduction and growth acceleration. Nexplat identified $2 million in annualized expense savings and made progress in healthcare, communications, and e-commerce divisions. Initiatives include expanded government prescription contracts, upgrades to the ClearMetriX 4.0 platform, record airtime revenue in satellite communications, and global rollout of the Florida Sunshine Supplement brand. These actions are expected to strengthen cash flow and drive sustainable growth through 2026.
Optimum Bank Holdings Inc., NY American OPHC, posts 3.6 matter Q2 earnings, surpasses $1 billion in assets, will showcase achievements at national conferences. Optimum Bank Holdings Inc., listed on the NYSE American under the ticker symbol OPHC, announced second quarter earnings of $3.6 million, along with surpassing $1 billion in total assets. Chairman Moish Gubin will showcase the bank's achievements at the LD Micro Main Event 19 in San Diego on October 19 to 21st, as well as at the Jewish National Fund Global Conference in Hollywood, Florida on October 23 to 26. Optimum Bank recently sponsored the 2025 Brokers Expo in New York, emphasizing its commitment to small businesses. Founded in 2000, Optimum Bank is focused on community banking and is making a national impact with its upcoming conference appearances.
Rockbreak's ES Gold Corp., OTCQB, begins on-site validation at Planta Magdalena project in Colombia. ES Gold Corp., listed on the CSE as ESU and on the OTCQB as ESUF, has deployed its geological and engineering team to Colombia to commence on-site validation at the Planta Magdalena project. This follows the Memorandum of Understanding signed on August 20, 2025. The field program's objectives include confirming historic tailings grades, evaluating site infrastructure, and exploring opportunities within the Bolivar concession area. Bulk samples from Colombia and Quebec are undergoing metallurgical testing at ALS Global in Val d'Or to verify gold and silver recoveries under ES Gold's clean processing framework. CEO Gordon Robb expressed excitement, stating, "With our team on the ground, we're transitioning from intent to action, advancing our strategy for responsible gold and silver production." For more information on ES Gold Corp., visit their newsroom at the provided link. Isotropic Corp., OTQZF, expands commercialization strategy with $375K financing, investor awareness agreements, and breakthrough personalized radiation dose breast CT. Isotropic Corp. achieves a major milestone in breast imaging with its personalized radiation dose feature in the IsoView breast CT system. The company recently secured a $375,000 private placement and engaged new PR partners for enhanced investor communications. With the global breast imaging market projected to reach $8.69 billion by 2030, Isotropic is strategically positioned to lead the market. The IsoView breast CT system offers personalized radiation doses based on patient composition and breast size, improving workflow efficiency and prioritizing patient safety. This innovation sets Isotropic apart in the field of breast cancer imaging solutions.
Investor news breaks. Transcode Therapeutics Inc., acquires Polynoma, secures $25 million investment from CK Life Sciences to advance Phase 2 trial of TTX-MC138. Transcode Therapeutics, Inc. has acquired Polynoma LLC, a company developing a shed antigen vaccine for melanoma treatment. The acquisition was accompanied by a $25 million investment from CK Life Sciences Intel Holdings, Inc. to advance TTX-MC138 through a Phase 2 clinical trial. Philippe Calais, PharmD, Ph.D., has been appointed CEO, succeeding interim CEO Tom Fitzgerald. Dr. Calais expressed excitement about the broader oncology pipeline created by the acquisition and the potential therapeutic advances for patients. Transcode focuses on treating metastatic disease through RNA therapeutics on its TTX nanoparticle platform. For more information, visit the company's newsroom.
Investor news breaks. Quantum Biopharma Ltd. QNTM launches whistleblower reward program, offering up to $7 million for stock manipulation evidence. Quantum Biopharma has launched a whistleblower reward program offering up to $7 million for evidence of stock manipulation involving the company's shares. Eligible participants can submit information to reward@quantumbiopharma.com or by calling 1-833-571-811. The reward will be granted if the information contributes to a final judgment or settlement in Quantum Biopharma's favor. This initiative highlights Quantum's commitment to transparency and market integrity, encouraging reporting to the U.S. SEC and Canadian regulatory authorities. For more information, visit Quantum Pharma's IBN QNTM.
AI News breaks. Railtown AI Technologies, Inc., CSE Rail, OTCQB RLAF, to acquire AI Partnerships Corp., advancing vision for Canada's first AI affiliate marketplace. Railtown AI Technologies, Inc., a leader in Canadian-built artificial intelligence solutions, has announced the acquisition of AI Partnerships Corp. Through a three-cornered amalgamation. This transaction involves the issuance of 40 million shares at a price of 50 cents per share, along with 10 million performance shares tied to revenue milestones. The acquisition will support Railtown's vision for Canada's first AI affiliate marketplace, connecting the AI ecosystem to secure computing infrastructure. Additionally, Railtown will benefit from AIP's partnership with Digital, a national organization facilitating technology commercialization. This collaboration will provide Railtown and AIP affiliates access to a network of innovators and ecosystem leaders, driving further advancements in AI technology.
Tech Media breaks. Isotropic Corporation, OTEQF, 1R3 highlights. Need for advanced 3D imaging during Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Isotropic Corporation highlighted the need for advanced 3D imaging during Breast Cancer Awareness Month. The company emphasized the limitations of current imaging tools and the opportunity for its flagship IsoView breast CT imaging system. With millions of new breast cancer cases reported annually globally, there is an urgent need for true high-resolution 3D imaging, especially for women with dense breast tissue. As the global breast imaging market grows, IsoView aims to address the demand for superior diagnostic precision, reducing missed cancers, false positives, and costly follow-up procedures. For more information, visit Isotropic Corporation's website at isocorp.com.
As investors look for safety, gold producers with cash flow are emerging as the market's next leaders. As investors seek safety, gold producers with cash flow are emerging as the market's next leaders. Spot gold continues to climb, reaching over $3,800 per ounce, while silver hits a 14-year high. Central banks are buying record amounts of gold, signaling a trend away from the dollar. With gold at all-time highs, well-managed mining firms like ES Gold Corp. are poised to benefit. ES Gold, with production planned for 2026, offers scale and upside unmatched by many juniors. Other players in the precious metals market include Teck Resources Limited, B2 Gold Corp., Hudbay Minerals Inc., and Triple Flag Precious Metals Corp., all vying for attention in this lucrative sector.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.